Hello, sir, ma'am. First of all, thanks for the interview. It's me, Deepak Bania, originally from Tirthum and currently residing at Balia. I am 22 years old, single male. Talking about my academic qualification, I have passed plus 2 with good grades. After plus 2 graduation, I started working warehouse at CG company, Nepal, and have a 3 years of work experience on same company. I have my duties is loading, unloading the goods, printing, labeling, and scanning. Besides the professional duties, I pleasure my hobbies like listening music, traveling, etc. Now I willing to apply for Romania for professional growth. I don't have any friend with any family members in Romania. But be strong, hardworking, and self-motivating person. I will excel there in best way possible with my discipline. Thank you so much. Thank you.
के नाम हो तपाईँको? आउनु न। नाम के भएको?
चेक गराउनु पर्यो नि
थाहा भइसक्यो बाँधेर सबै नै रहेछ कुन चाहिँको लागि ट्राई गरेको